I told Frank, I said, we need to get together. So I didn't mention this to him, but...
All right, everyone, please grab your ice cream and come join us on the lawn.
你们有会长之类的哈？
有，我们也有。
多少个会员？
其实是整个区里。
整个区。
所以就现在已经有好像有30。
都从大陆来的还是？
不是，他是美国的。美国。对，他是整个Hayward的。所以我的参与那个那些具体的这个路那些都有参与。就是 remodel 也有参与。
Ice cream?
Okay. 谢谢你先生。
Little sliver of the entertainment that we'll have on May 19th. And so please, if you haven't grabbed some ice cream from Heavenly Ice Cream, we have Joe Manara here from Heavenly Ice Cream. Joe, come late. Yes, thank you very much for the free ice cream from Heavenly Ice Cream. So, the flavors that they're serving today is pina colada and coconut, and that's what Heavenly is known for. They always serve their exotic, high-grade, quality premium ice cream, and they always make sure that their commitment to giving back to the community and supporting local communities is strong. So, thank you for their very generous support. Now, I want to introduce the founder of the Asian Festival 20 years ago. We have John Hsieh from State Farm Insurance. He has his business right here in Hayward. And John Hsieh told me a few months ago, then I wish we had the Asian Festival here in Hayward because we are so diverse. We have so much to offer. We are the heart of the day, right? Councilman Mark Salinas. Woo! And so why not? Why 20 years and why not here? So we are having a street festival on May 19th. The city of Hayward has supported it, and it wouldn't have happened if it's not for the vision for John Hsieh from State Farm Insurance. John, come on over.
Thank you, Jennifer, and good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's really exciting. Now we can have the Asian Heritage Festival celebrated in Hayward. And just one more month, May 19th, we'll be at this location. This will be a stage here. Of course, we have more decoration and back in June 1994, that's the first year we started, and we started in San Jose. The reason we do that is because back in June 1991, and President Bush, he proclaimed that May is the Asian Heritage Month. So I was lucky to go to the White House and the signature of the proclamation. So why I returned to the Bay Area to the Asian has to do something because Asian community is part of the United States. So we are so glad that we can get together to introduce the Asian culture to the local community. And in the past 19 years, we travel city to city. We start from San Jose, then Fremont, and then to Newark, Union City. And one year we even have that festival celebrated inside the Great America. So we're really exciting. Just at a time of Hayward, Hayward look was almost complete, and we can bring this over here to celebrate. So I really hope that all of you can come and introduce to your friends, bring them over next month, May 19th. That's all join together to celebrate. Thank you.
What a great city we have, and the way that we have great cities is we have great leaders and great staff. So when we put this together, it wouldn't have happened if it wasn't for the great staff and leaders at City Hall. And one of them is right there at 12 o'clock, right in front of me. Councilman Mark Salinas, come on over up front. So we just want to thank the city of Hayward. The whole experience of putting together this event was so easy. Everybody at the City Hall was just so accommodating. They made sure that we had stage, co-sponsor this event. And I know that we're going to give back to the community and make sure the businesses are promoted, and that the city of Hayward, people need to stop by Hayward. You can't stop at San Francisco and you can't pass us and go to San Jose. We're right here, and we have the character, we have great businesses to offer, and it's such a beautiful city. We're right across the Hayward Bar. We've got lots of parking. What more to ask for? So, Councilman Salinas, please let us know. What else can we say about Hayward?
It is the greatest place in the world, right? Well, first of all, I just wanted to say thank you for
the organizers for choosing Hayward as the site of the festival. We could not have asked for a better opportunity to host this festival. You know, the city of Hayward has a very long history and a very long and rich tradition with Asian Americans. Equally so, you know, even 19th century history with Asian Americans here in this region. So it is relevant, it's appropriate, and it's very important that we have this festival here. You know, cultural festivals serve a lot of purposes. Cultural festivals are spaces where communities can come and see cultural expressions, historical expressions. They're also places where families can bring kids and transfer cultural knowledge, language knowledge. Festivals like these are important and they're critical because they build the foundation, they build the essence of what a community is about. So I wanted to thank the organizers. I certainly wanted to thank Dr. Ong. I wanted to thank everybody who has been involved with this project to bring it here to Hayward. We're very pleased to have it in Hayward, and thank you very much.
Alright, so that's the city of Hayward. Now I'm looking around and some people are not eating ice cream. Why is that? You have to go over there to Heavenly Ice Cream and enjoy their quality premium ice cream. Grab some ice cream, please. So thank you, Joe. I wanted to ask you, do you know that there is an automated automotive plant that actually has 100% of their materials recycled, the waste that they create from the plant, 100% is recycled or turned into electricity. And that company is Subaru. Subaru is our grand sponsor for our May 19th festival, and we are so very thankful that we have a company like that. It's very much in line with the city of Hayward and our green policy. You know, for example, Heavenly, they're serving all their products in compostable materials, which is something that recently has adopted in the city of Hayward. So I want to introduce some folks from our planning committee because every single week we were talking throughout the week, and we meet at the Hayward Chamber of Commerce. Susan Ojeda, come on up. Oh no, she doesn't want to. So I wanted to share with you. Kim Huggett is the president and CEO of the Hayward Chamber of Commerce, and they have over 600 businesses and organizations as their members. And for every month, they have 7 events. So if you are a business, you really need to think about getting involved with the Hayward Chamber of Commerce because it's a great way to promote your business. They are also, of course, the leading advocates for economic development in Hayward. Wanted to recognize also, we have Lema over here from Assembly Member Bill Quirk's office. Thank you for coming. All right, our planning committee. It doesn't happen without them. We had our first Asian youngest woman elected to the City of Hayward City Council, and she has been a big part of our planning committee. She was also a past president of the Hayward Rotary and also the Women's Council of Realtors. She has been a real estate agent for World Realty Neighbors for 19 years. And we stopped counting after that. Don't know why. But anyway, she's this beautiful former city council member of Hayward, Anna Lane. Could you please say a few words for us?
Hello. Everybody here knows that some of the best food comes from out of the United States, right? And as you know, right here in Hayward, we have incredible diversity, so I expect to see all of you here at City Hall Plaza on Sunday, May 19th, to enjoy the food that's being offered. And we look forward to seeing you there. Thank you so much. And remember, please do spread the word. This is just the first of many that we hope to have right here in the city of Hayward. Thank you, Jennifer, for that warm welcome.